Okay.
Please stand for the opening prayer. Hot chocolate. Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Pockets, how much? Are you stressed out?
Yes. How about no?
Yes. We all know that teachers are the most stressed persons in the whole world.
Really? Asa ka, girlfriend?
Sorry.
Okay, go.
Yes.
According to
According to Google.com, according to Google, and research last night.
Just a minute ago.
Kapag isa yung may bantay ang istorya ka narinig ko
Sige, don't you worry.
Sige na, ditch ka ng taong na.
Saan na akong nun? Sige na, bitch, ikaw na.
Ina.
According to Google.com,
Ang gabinawangan ko niya. According to Merriam Dictionary. Dinis, statistics.
ay kasamo